Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Innerspring mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. The Innerspring Mattress. Our first Innerspring mattress is by Innerspring. The mattress features a traditional spring system for lasting support and includes a cozy, quilted fabric cover and an inner foam layer for added comfort and resilience. With its heavy-gauge, tempered steel coils, this mattress provides consistent support, while the quilted fabric cover and deep foam layer simultaneously ensure unparalleled comfort. This product's versatility is unmatched, making it a fantastic choice for a bunk bed, day bed, trundle bed, RV bed, or kids bed. What we like about it: available in multiple sizes, compatible with all bases, offers comfortable support. What we don't like about it: maybe thinner than expected. Number 2. Zenus Innerspring Mattress. Does your partner toss and turn throughout the night and disturb your sleep? Check out the Zenus Innerspring Mattress, which offers excellent motion isolation for minimum motion transfer and maximum comfort. Experience unmatched comfort and peaceful sleep, even if your partner moves around a lot with this mattress. How? Through its innovative cooling swirl memory foam and independent coils, which work together to eliminate excess heat and motion, you can sleep cool and undisturbed. With its multi-layered construction, this hybrid-style mattress provides customized pressure relief that conforms to your body's unique shape. What we like about it: excellent motion isolation, good edge support for sag prevention, regulates temperature and prevents overheating. What we don't like about it: may have an initial odor. Number 3. Modway Innerspring Mattress. The Modway Innerspring Mattress is perfect for anyone looking for a comfortable, supportive sleep surface. This hybrid-style mattress combines the support of innerspring coils with the comfort of memory foam for the ultimate sleeping experience. Hybrid mattresses are my personal favorite since they offer the best of both worlds. This innovative mattress is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. It arrives in a single box and is easy to set up. Simply take it out of the box, unroll it, and watch it decompress. You can speed up the process by jumping, walking, or sleeping on it if you need to enjoy a good night's sleep as soon as possible. What we like about it: easy to set up, excellent motion isolation, promotes proper spinal alignment. What we don't like about it: maybe too soft for some. Number 4. Innerspring Innerspring Mattress. Are you in the market for a new mattress but aren't sure where to start? Check out the Innerspring Innerspring Mattress for an amazing sleep experience and the ultimate balance of comfort, breathability, and support. With its individually encased coils, hybrid design, and multi-layered construction, this mattress conforms to your body's unique shape to alleviate pressure points and offer a balanced sleep experience. Not only is it comfortable, but it's also breathable. Its cool cover is made of dual-layered, soft, knitted fabrics that release moisture while dissipating heat and enhancing airflow for a cool and comfortable sleeping environment. What we like about it: minimal motion transfer, promotes proper air circulation. What we don't like about it: maybe too firm for some. Number 5. Siemens Secret Land Innerspring Mattress. Featuring individually wrapped coils that conform to your body and provide excellent support, the Secret Land Innerspring Mattress minimizes motion transfer, making it a great choice for those who share their bed with a partner or pet. Crafted with hundreds of individually wrapped pocket springs, this mattress is built for durability. The tempered steel coil system provides powerful support to each part of your body, catering to your vertebral well-being. What we like about it: uniform weight distribution, ideal for side sleepers, alleviates pressure points, What we don't like about it. Center may sag over time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.